Tencel lyocell fibers are the fibers which are made from eucalyptus raw material. In simple layman's term, this eucalyptus tree pulp, that means the bark of the tree, is shredded into a small pieces, and this then undergoes into a pulp conversion process in which the white pulp is prepared. This pulp then goes for dissolution, that it is dissolved into an organic solvent, and this is just like putting salt into water or sugar into water, and then this is passed through a spinneret, like a chalni you can call, and it's then reprecipitated into the form of a fiber or a strand. The solvent which is used here, that is recirculated to the extent of 99.9%. That is how we call it this as a completely closed loop manufacturing process, wherein maximum things remains into the system, and we have wood pulp coming from the one side and fiber coming from the other side. If you look closely at Tencel, it is coming from two words, tenacity and cellulose. So it is the fiber which is having the highest strength when it is coming to cellulosic fiber family. It is having a strength which is more or less close to the polyester. At the same time, it is cellulosic in nature, so it gives you all comfort properties which are normally attributed to the cotton. So that is a right combination or mix of taking the best of both products which are leading the fibers, and then having this product which offers the benefits of both. So when it is specifically coming from bed linen applications, which requires that durability because of the repeated washings it's going to face, that will be coming from the strength of Tencel portion. Normal cotton has 6 to 8% moisture regain with it, whereas the Tencel branded fibers, it is having 12% moisture regain to it. That means it is giving you the much more cool touch feel. At the same time, it is also maintaining your body temperature on the lower side naturally. So, when the traditional products like polyester cotton blends are being used into the this application, even after the room temperature is going say very normal or due to the air conditioning and all, if it is having only polyester into that, then after certain number of time or after a couple of hours, even though a guest is in deep sleep, sometimes he is forced to wake up, because that moisture management, what you call, is like whatever moisture or sweat is released by the body needs to get absorbed and also evaporated at the same time, which is what will make a person more comfortable. It doesn't happens. That is why you tend to wake up and then change your position and sometimes get disturbed because of that. This is because the blockage of this evaporation of the moisture, which typically happens due to the use of a lot of synthetic products there, particularly polyesters, which is being used into the bedding application as well as into the duvets and the feel application for the duvets. So that is something which is being made better by using a Tencel branded products there. The sleep quality is much better, and this is something which is being regulated with our studies, sleep comfort studies, body temperature regulation studies. Typically, why your linen or your body for that matter generates a bad smell? That is because you are having that bacterial or fungal growth there. Your simple sweat also is a result of that. However, if you have some media there or some vehicle there which is not allowing this moisture to stay, then it doesn't feeds those bacteria. These are not allowed to grow there. That is what exactly the tensil's weakening property. That means the absorbing and creating a larger surface to have that moisture evaporated. It is created by tensil in particular. At Lenzing, we ensure the sustainability to its fullest life cycle of any of our fiber product, starting from raw material to the stage where the product is given back to the nature to its complete biodegradability. The first portion is like sourcing the wood from the forest for making this product. Anybody would generally say at the end of the day you are cutting the trees and then you are making this product. However, how the sustainability is ensured there is by sourcing this wood only by the certified sustainable forests. Like all our wood sourcing policy is having FSC and PEFC accreditations, converting this fiber into the finished products. Here we ensure that supply chains with whom we are associating, whether it is a spinning mill who is converting this fiber into thread or yarns, or the weaving and finishing mills who are converting this into the finished linen or towel products, they are having the required sustainability standards and certifications. After the product is being used for its life cycle, either it is going to go into a landfill, or it's going to go into a soil, or it's going to go into the marine in water. That is the ultimate end which happens to any apparel or any textile after being used. So there we are having the certified biodegradability. That means once this product is ending up any of these places in say stipulated time of say 16 to 20 weeks, depending upon the conditions to which they are exposed, these products are going to be completely compostable and biodegradable. So that is how the sustainability is fully ensured throughout the life cycle of the fiber.
For us, the most important factor is the durability, because we being in the linen rental space, when we work towards providing an affordable pricing to the customer to move on to this model, it has to stay for minimum number of washes. So the durability is the important factor in our pricing model. So this is one of the reasons why we chose to blend something with cotton and produce an item that is comfortable, durable, and also it's sustainable, right? So looking at all of these, we found the blend with the Tencel fibers is the most appropriate one for the scenario we are in, because the hygiene is creating and playing an important role for anybody who is checking into the hotel. People use cotton versus polyester. That's the most commonest blend that can happen, whether it's a bath linen or a bed linen. But this combination of Tencel with the cotton is the best for the industry what we serve today. So it applies for the hospitality industry, it applies for the healthcare, and it also applies for the retail like you and me when we use our the towels and bed sheets in our homes. This is the best combination one can ever have. See, you could buy the most expensive linen, but if it is not processed properly at the laundry space, then the life of the linen goes for a toss, and the hygiene part of it is lost. So we are a little more careful in bringing the processing to be a critical element in the whole ecosystem of linen rental space, because it has got its own natural phenomena of antimicrobial elements in it. We have also introduced something called as Silver-Do technology, which releases silver ions in the finishing process of the laundry. So what it does, it's a chemical that is mixed in the washing process. After the final, the softener is applied to the fabric, we add little dosage of this chemical called, it's a chemical from DuPont, which releases the silver ions, and this stays on the fabric for a certain number of washes. So this is something different, and it's not an usual process which everybody does in the laundry space. Across the world, every hotel runs with very limited power stocks. So there is always a pressure on the laundry guy to bring the linen back to the property for the next usage, right? So what happens in the process is, a linen, when it is washed, it has to breathe. So the fibers will open. When the washing is finished, the fibers will open, right? And it has to take the fresh air. So before it is packed and sent off to the property for the next usage, it has to breathe. So because Tencel has the natural phenomena of better moisture control in it, so it breathes well in that, the lesser amount of time, and it's good for the fabric to have better life control, and also the hygiene part of it is controlled at the laundry itself. Why do we need a 45 minutes wash cycle? Why can't it be done in 30 minutes, right? So we tested this. So we tested this with our own product, and also with the coating of the Silver-Do technology in it, and found that we can save about 18 to 20% of water consumption in processing per kilo of linen. And every emirate within the United Arab Emirates is now focusing on sustainability measures. So this is the time that we have been recognized by DTCM, which controls the hotel operations within Dubai. So they have identified this product as one of the sustainable measures that needs to be implemented in the hotels. So our positioning has been very timely. The most important commodity for the hotelier to operate their hotel is the linen, whether it's a bath linen or the bed linen, right? You can have a very lavish room, and if the linen is not right, and if it is not washed properly and put on the bed and in the washroom, you can't let this room to the guest. So, and the guests are also now choosy, because the hygiene plays an important role. It's not the comfort anymore, but it's the hygiene part of it that comes into play now. So the perception of the guest is changing now. Middle East by itself has got a lot of opportunities that are available. Now, if you look at the Expo 2020, which is around the corner, we have at least 20,000 new keys in the 4-star and 5-star segment getting in. Right. The next place is going to be Qatar for the FIFA World Cup in 2022, and then Saudi Arabia as a market by itself is expanding, in multiple folds when compared to UAE or Qatar, for instance. So the market is so big within the Middle East itself. So our immediate focus is going to be to address the opportunities that are available in the Middle East market. But having said that, We also have other opportunities that are coming in from India. For instance, the workwear rental, one of the largest workwear rental company in India. So they were looking at us. They are looking at the Dr. Linen as a product, and they want to use in their service offering for the healthcare and also for the other areas. And also they want to take this product for the other countries in Europe, where they are serving more than 25 countries within Europe.